So this is how you should join your sleeve to the bodies of your kaftan. There is a notch on your sleeve. When you're cutting your sleeve, you place a notch at the middle part of your sleeve, and then you are going to be joining that to the notch on the kaftan. So if you want to understand this, we have a video on this channel. Just check this channel, and then you'll find that video, and then you watch that video. You are going to know what we are doing. So you make sure those two notches meet. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. So you are going to sew on 0.5 inch. You are going to sew on 0.5 inch like so. As you can see, I have sewed this part, and then this is how it's going to come out clean. I have not ironed it, but see how it's coming up, because we sew it the right way and then we cut it the right way. So if you want to get a video as to how we cut our kaftan, how we cut our sleeves, it's on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. So we are going to sew the other part, but now the sleeve A set is going to be on, and then the mid bodies is going to be on top. But we are going to sew it, making sure that they both are equal. As we are sewing, we are going to make sure that both of them are equal. They are going to be as equal as possible. As you can see, they are going to be as equal as possible. This is very important. So this is how you're going to sew it, and this is exactly how we sew the first part. So you take your time and sew on 0.5 inch. Sew on ½ inch. As you can see, you take your time. You take your time to sew this part. You make sure that they are equal as you are moving, because you measure your armhole before cutting your sleeve, so they should fit in. So you pay attention to it, making sure they are as equal as possible, as you can see mine. And then you sew through. You take your time and then you sew it. Make sure it is sewn perfectly. So once you sew it, this is how it's going to come out. Once you sew it perfectly, like this, this is going to be a result. So this is how your kaftan is going to be looking. So you take a look at this, see how it's coming up. I have not ironed it yet, but see, it's coming up neat. I can even wear it like that. You see, it's coming out neat and clean. It has not been ironed. But see how it's coming out. See how the chest is balanced. So if you want to know how to cut a kaftan, we have a video in this channel. Just check the channel.